Hey there, today we are going to make a immunity boosting and gut friendly recipe. We are making kanji today with carrots and beetroots. Let's see how it's done. Intuitively, when you have a cough or a cold, you go for something warm. But this kanji is a fermented drink which can be had at room temperature as well, and it is still going to combat your cold. We're going to start by chopping our carrot into batons. So I'm just going to cut them into 3-inch pieces first. And then I'm going to slice them vertically into thick batons. Carrots are the best source of vitamin A. They're amazing for your eyes. I'm going to place the chopped carrots on a plate, and now it's time to chop the beetroot. I have 3 small beetroots here which have been peeled and washed. Again, I'm going to cut them into batons, making sure they're similar in size as carrots. Traditionally, kanji is only made with carrots and mustard seeds, but I'm using beetroot today because beetroot is also a great immunity booster. It is rich in iron and adds a beautiful color to the kanji. Place the beetroots over the carrots. We're going to make a simple spice mix that goes into the kanji. I'm starting with 3-4 teaspoons of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds. This is what will bring about the fermentation. 1/4 teaspoon of haldi powder. This will bring a pretty color. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to control the fermentation. Now we're going to close this and turn into a coarse powder. And this is what it looks like right now. We're going to add this coarsely ground mixture over our veggies, so that all the batons are coated in the spice mix properly. This will help draw out the natural moisture that is present in the vegetables. Next, we are going to add in all of these vegetables into a glass jar. Fill it halfway through. And I'm going to add rest of the vegetables in the next jar. Now I'm going to add in water till the jar is full. Close the lid tightly and place this in a dark place for 3 days. The fermentation process will start because of the mustard seeds, and it will be ready to consume within 3 days. You'll notice some bubbles on top. When you see that, stir it properly and then enjoy your kanji. Kanji is best had during the season when it's hot and cold at the same time, which means when the temperatures are changing. It will keep you high on your immunity and help you in terms of pain in your knees or cold and cough that comes on with the change of climate. Try this recipe out to improve your probiotic intake, and when you try it out, let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.